Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to move sketch to the origin. So for example, you can create sketch and I will choose the top line. You can create a rectangle and also I will set the circle. If you want to move the sketch to the origin, you need to set 4 dimension to the object. Like I will use these dimension tools. Okay, we can set for the rectangle, the circle, and also the circle positions inside the rectangle. After it, you can select all objects and then use the concentric constraint. Click on the point and then I will move to the origin point with these concentric tools. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial how to move sketch to the origin.